Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this memorial lantern for my daughter who unfortunately passed away. This is a super easy craft and I just wanted to create something to memorialize her. And this is kind of therapy for me too. So if you're interested in how I created this, stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm going to be using to make the lantern is this lantern that I got off Amazon. It is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but I'm going to use it anyway. So this is the box that it came in. It is a decorative lantern with a flameless candle, and I think it has a timer on it, but I probably won't be using the candle that's on the inside, but we'll see. So in order to use the candle, you have to put batteries in the bottom. I already did that. This is what it looks like lit. But I'm going to be using these string lights that I got from the Dollar Tree because we're going with the purple theme here. And this is a 10 count. It's like a wire, so I'm going to wrap the lights around this candle. And I'm also going to be using a few of these flowers that I also got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick them in the corners. And for the picture, I'm going to be using these memorial cards that I had created. You can use a different picture if you want. This is just what I choose to use. If you wanted to use the picture to fit the frame, I think this measures like 3.5 by 4 or something. Yeah, 3 by 4. But I'm not going to be using that size pictures because I don't have it. So I'm just going to use what I have. So basically what I'm going to do is pop off the top. And this top does pop on and off. I won't say easy because I do struggle with it, but it does go back on like so. But I'm going to pop it off. And I'm going to be using these lights like I said. And then this is what it looks like lit. You have to put 2 AA batteries in, so I already did that. So basically what I'm gonna do is unravel these. And I wish they had different purple lights, but this is all they had. I wish they had like flowers or stars, but they didn't. But so I'm gonna take this and I'm going to wrap it as tight as I can around the candle. And if you want a bigger lantern, you can order it off Amazon. I did see some other options at Michael's when I went the other day, and they were also cheaper than what I actually paid. I'll put the link for this particular lantern in the description box below. I am struggling, but I did this before and it worked, but now it doesn't work. Okay, so this is what it looks like wrapped. And then you can turn it on, and that's how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna leave this part out, and I'll probably just put some adhesive tape here and tape it to the back so we can access it easily. And then I'm gonna take these flowers, probably just 2 of them, and pop them off like I did in the other video for this. If you're interested in how I made this beautiful shadow box, I'll link it up above. So I'm just going to pop these off. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. And I'm going to place it on the inside. Like so. Maybe I should just put it at the top. I don't really know. Yeah, I think I like that better versus. Let's see. I'll probably just keep it just like that. And then finally, I'm just going to put the picture here. And I'm just going to take a piece of my tape and run it along the top. You can't see the tape, it's clear. And just pop the top back on. Super easy memorial craft. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen today. If you have any questions about anything that I've used today, you can comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like I said, this was so easy and so a super easy memorial craft that you can do. So yeah, thank you for watching my video and I'll see you on the next one.